all these people, I want to say one thing today. Shut up.
The Indian tennis team in Sweden had more tension inside the camp than off it. India's non-playing captain Rohit Rajpal sent scathing remarks to his critics after several players raised questions about India's team composition for the Davis Cup tie against Sweden. The comment came after India was blanked by the host, and the outcome relegated India to the World Group 1 playoff.
I want to say one thing today. Shut up. Okay? First thing. And second thing, if you really care that much, don't sit in your air-conditioned rooms and talk. Get out here and show what you can do.
And this was perhaps the most potent of the outings that came from India's sojourn at the Davis Cup. India had never beaten Sweden in the Davis Cup tennis. While this was a great opportunity to turn the tables, in Stockholm, however, the odds were stacked against India from the outset. From the moment Sumit Nagal pulled out owing to an injury to Yuki's unavailability spelled trouble for India. Vishal Uppal, a former Indian Davis Cupper, weighed in on the topic in a conversation with The Bridge. He said Yuki's absence didn't help either, as I think Yuki and Balaji would have been a better doubles combination. Uppal added that the players also have to take responsibility for their performances. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Going into Davis Cup tie, there was tension in the air. A social media post from Sumit Nagal in response to a picture of players lining up behind the Indian embassy officials and team management highlighted the friction that appeared to exist between the players and the coaching staff. Uppal said, I think players have stated their stance on several occasions and it's obvious all is not good. While the ball was in the association's court to placate the hostilities, they did anything but that. The All India Tennis Association took to social media to express some facts. Titled the Davis Cup, more than just a tournament, they chose to hit back at the players with a post stating that players like Sumit Nagal, Yuki Bamri and Mukund Sasikumar refused to play for the country even though they were participating in other tournaments elsewhere. The tennis body did not stop at that. They also highlighted that both the captain of the Davis Cup team and the AITA's management made multiple efforts to convince the top players to turn out for India, but the players simply refused and declined the opportunity to represent the country. Also, the association upped the rhetoric by posting about their developmental work. Clearly, all is not well at the top echelons of the Indian tennis. The rift between the players and AITA puts the sport in balustrade, and it is the Indian tennis that bleeds.